The RM-70 is a highly versatile Czechoslovakian-made multiple rocket launcher (MRL) system. The RM-70 is designed to provide effective and rapid fire support to ground forces in various combat scenarios. Type: self-propelled multiple rocket launcher. Place of origin: Czechoslovakia. Mass 33.7 tons, length 8.75 meters, width 2.5 meters, height 2.7 meters, caliber 122.4 millimeters, barrels 40, maximum firing range 20 kilometers, crew 6. Armor: steel secondary armament, universal machine gun VZ 59, engine T-903 to 3 volts 12 multi-fuel 250 horsepower, 184 kilowatts. Operational range 400 kilometers. Maximum speed 85 km per hour. The RM-70 can launch various types of rockets, including high explosive fragmentation, incendiary, and smoke rockets. Different rocket types provide flexibility in engaging different targets and achieving specific tactical objectives. The system is equipped with fire control mechanisms, including aiming devices and ballistic computers, to assist in accurate targeting.